Hello there. Today, I'll be taking you through navigating the CIL Academy LMS. First, you want to go to your browser and input CIL.academy. This will take you to the CIL Academy homepage. When you get to the homepage, click on login/register. CIL Academy. This will take you to where you input your username and your password. Before we proceed, it is important to know that your email address is your username and the temporary default password will be sent to you by CIL Academy to your email. This temporary password is only valid for 3 days. You will get a prompt to change your password and you must change your password immediately. Now, remember to always sign in using your email as username and your new password. Then, once you're signed in, it takes you to the landing page where you have all of the programs. Now, to find courses as a 0 to Techie student, you click on programs and then click on 0 to Techie. This will take you to the various 0 to Techie courses that we have on the CIL Academy modules. So first off, you go to programs and then 0 to Techie brings you here. Now, let us explore cloud engineering or data engineering or any of the courses that are available in this domain. So now, cloud engineering. Which is going to be your learning track. Great. Once you click on your learning track, either data engineering or cloud engineering, it brings you to the different modules available and then you can start learning immediately. Great. Now, I also want to take you on how to find courses on other programs. So next we click on programs again and then click on any other course. That is the AWS digital training. This will take you to the AWS digital training landing page where you see the various domains that we offer. Click on any of your preferred domains. I'm going to be clicking on Understanding AWS Networking Fundamentals. Great. Once you're here, you can scroll down to any of the courses, right? And then you can begin taking your first course, Understanding CIDR Notation. Now, we should also know that the course content could either be a URL or a Scrum package. Now, this is a URL. You can then click to open. And then, yes, you can go ahead and start your course. Thank you very much. I hope this has been helpful and enjoy.